السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم اليوم صار فيديو جديد مع جي تي اي 5 او جراند 5 مود الحيوانات. طبعا هذا جراند 5 هذا مشهور، يعني شهرة كبيرة، ما يعرف جراند 5. انت اللي قاعد تتابع المقطع مثلا ما تعرف جراند 5؟ تعرفه؟ اوكي. جراند 5 من اشهر الشغلات. طبعا هذا من الحيوانات. طبعا الحين راح تطلع يمكن اول شيء حيطلع لي ما اتذكر اي دجاجة او ديك. كيف يمشي كيف يمشي يركض. صوت اشتراك مع المقطع للنهاية. باي.
No, bitch, you a chicken. Shit. It's not funny. Not funny at all. You asshole. No, Franklin. You're the asshole, son. And you ain't a son no more, man. You're a daughter now. Oh, wow. Look. I'm a fucking crow, man. I'm a crow. What the fuck, man? I don't want to be no damn crow. Why not? I don't know. I just don't. Well, you is, so accept it. Accept it and move on. Okay. I'm accepting it. And I kind of like it. I do. Oh, why you do that? Oh, ooh, fuck. Oh, no. It's okay. It's better than roaming the damn streets. I'm a badass. I'm a badass bird. That's what I am. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess this is how it is from now on. Cool. I can live with that. Life changes. Ooh, oh, oh, wow. Just wow, man. God, this is amazing. This is the real shit. This is where I belong. This is me. Finally, I made something of myself. Finally, I belong. Finally. This is great. This is amazing. Wow, look at me. The Hulk. knows nothing. Here. Oh, what? I'm a pigeon. Wow. Man, how weird. I ain't a pigeon. Oh, no. You is a pigeon. Look at you. You got wings, a beak. Man, you got the whole package. That's high. Thought I was a man. No, fool. You a damn pigeon.
We got a visual on the perp in pursuit.
Oh my God. You finally got that private jet plane. Ain't no jet. You got wings and feathers. What the hell? Man, that's weird. Dude, you a damn seagull. Thought you was a gangster.